In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok error that says maximum number of attempts reached. So if you're seeing this error message like you see on the screen, then there's a few ways we can go and fix it. Now, first step is just to open up the settings application on your phone, go and scroll down and click on general, and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll all the way down to TikTok and click on the app like so. Click on offload app and select offload. Now you can click on reinstall app and give that a couple of seconds while it goes and reinstalls to your device. You can then come back over to the main settings page, go and toggle on airplane mode and wait 5 to 10 seconds. After 5 to 10 seconds have passed, we can then go and turn off airplane mode. Click on Wi-Fi from the list of options. Now if you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, then you can try using your cellular data instead. So I could just go and toggle off the Wi-Fi feature and I can try logging into TikTok using the mobile data on my phone. Now if you're already using mobile data, then turn Wi-Fi on and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now if it's still not working, then come back over to the home screen on your phone and go and locate the TikTok app. Once you've found TikTok, hold down on the application and click on Remove App. Click on Delete App and click on Delete. Now what you'll need to do is open up the App Store on your phone, go and search for TikTok, and then you'll simply need to reinstall the app. Once TikTok's reinstalled, you can check to see if you can now log in. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, then you'll just need to wait a couple of hours before trying to log back in. Usually this error message occurs when you've tried to log in too many times with the incorrect information. So after a couple of hours, this will go and refresh and you should be able to log in. Alternatively, you can always try using a different device such as a computer or another mobile. Let me know in the comments if this video did help you, and I'll see you with the next one.